that's what I was saying. Like, you know, I'm like a type of person who talk, but like, I'm like, because who want to learn from others. I learn from them. Every day I'm outside, I go learn from people, like, all the people. I'll be literally asking questions from like people, like, I'm asking questions. I want to know. Yeah, I want to know, like, how things run. To be honest, I'm in school right now. I want to get my business.
Your what?
Business. Yes. I'll be graduating next week. Right? I'm in school. I'm a teacher.
It helps pass the time.
So you start your first tomorrow?
So I'm gonna get my degree in business. And then I'm learning to sport. So it's not like that's it. I'm sure that's it. That's it. Because I'm gonna have kids. I'm gonna have my kids.
Spirit Airlines would like to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale. The local time is 8:14. Thank you. The local time is 8:14 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. Guests needing special assistance such as wheelchairs are asked to remain seated until the end of the deplaning process.